Pakistan Shaheens defended their title as they defeated arch rivals India in the final of the Emerging Asia Cup 2023. The men in green got off to a sensational start as openers Saim Ayub and Sahibzada Farhan scored brilliant half-centuries. Saim scored 59, while Farhan scored 65, before being sent back to the pavilion. After a blistering start, Pakistan lost its way as they lost wickets at regular intervals. But a fine rebuild job by Tayyab Tahir, who hit a marvellous century, and Mubasir Khan helped the Shaheens cross the 350-run mark. India, in reply, got off to a good start as well, but the experienced Pakistani bowling attack pulled the game back as they struck regularly. Sufyan Muqeem picked up 3 wickets, while Arshad, Iqbal and Mehran Mumtaz picked a couple each to dismantle the Indian batting unit. Pakistan managed to dismiss India for 222 as they registered a huge win by 128 runs. This is Pakistan's second consecutive Emerging Asia Cup title, after their win in 2019 when they defeated Bangladesh. This is also Pakistan's second title overall in the Emerging Asia Cup.